By the end of the video, we'll know about easy bodyweight exercises for beginners. Get started today. Hey there, fitness enthusiasts. Today, we're diving into the world of easy bodyweight exercises, perfect for those just starting their fitness journey. Whether you're a novice or a seasoned pro, bodyweight exercises are an excellent way to build strength and endurance with minimal equipment needed. First off, we have the classic push-ups. They work your chest, triceps, and shoulders. Start off slow, lowering yourself down and pushing back up. Form tip: keep your core tight and hips down to prevent injury. Next up is the squats. This move targets your glutes, quads, and hamstrings. Keep your chest up and hips back as you descend into the squat position. Remember to maintain proper form throughout to prevent lower back strain. Now let's move to the planks. This simple exercise works your entire core and can be done anywhere, no gym required. Hold a steady plank for 30 seconds initially, working your way up to longer durations as you progress. Lastly, we have lunges, a fantastic exercise for leg strength and balance. Keep your torso upright while stepping forward with one leg at a time. Engage your glutes and keep your knees behind your toes for optimal alignment and stability. Remember, consistency is key. Start with these simple exercises 3 times a week for 15 minutes each session. Mix up the order of exercises or add some bodyweight circuits to make it more challenging over time. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video and found it helpful, don't forget to hit like, share, and subscribe for more fitness content tailored just for you. Until next time, stay fit and healthy.